kind of late to the party on this one, especially because I've had it since the first week of June pretty much, but I've got the June Target beauty box right here and ready to go, all pride themed. Look at the beautiful colors. Oh, look at that, it matches my nails. Oh my goodness, that was not intentional. I did rainbow nails a day or two ago for the 50th anniversary of Judy Garland's death, since, you know, over the rainbow nails. I ran out of fingers, so purple, boom, done. Anyway, so we're gonna get into this. There was also a men's box that I figured, what the hell, I'm gonna grab it too, because the stuff in there for the most part is stuff, there's no reason a woman couldn't use those, and frankly they smell really good. So anyway, this box first though. So I love the colors on this. It's very cotton candy-esque. It makes me think of Katy Perry. It just, I don't know. So it says, Jet Set Go. Summer is so close we can taste it. Whether you're headed down the shore, hashtag DTS for the weekend, or catching a flight to an exotic European island, finding trustworthy products that make your jet set beauty routine a breeze is key. Here, the go-tos we keep in our travel bag at all times, and you should too. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Yes, I dropped it. Like what you tried, we want to see what you got, what you love, how you styled it. Tag us with hashtag TargetBeauty or hashtag TargetBeautyBox. And then we've got our list of stuff that's in the box, so I will read little snippets to you as I open it. And oh, look at the like cotton candy baby pink tissue paper that's in this one. It's so pretty. Okay. And yes, I know you're like, who are you? What did you do with Jen? She hates pink, but honestly, this is pretty. So, very first thing on top is this, what is this, Pixie T-Zone peel-off mask. At least a little sample-sized one of it anyway. So, since 1999, pore purifier. Lord knows I can help, or use that, all the help I can get. This detoxifying mask draws out impurities and peels off to reveal immediate results. A unique green superfood blend helps refresh and refine. Great for congested skin. Use 1 to 2 times a week or as needed. Apply a thick even layer to your T-zone only. Leave on until completely dry, then gently peel off. Avoid the eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Do not use on skin that is irritated, broken, or sunburned. So you know this stuff is serious business. And this one says basically the same thing. Unique green superfood blend instantly draws out impurities and lifts away oil to reveal nourished, glowing skin. How to apply a thick, even layer to your T-zone only. Let sit until completely dry, then gently peel off. That is all it says about it. That's that. Next we have yet another one of these. This is like the third one I've gotten of these now. Of the Pantene Pro-V Intense Rescue Shots, the hair treatment thing. Treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. Blend of pro-vitamin B5, strengthening lipids, and natural glycerin helps repair damaged hair so locks are soft, shiny, and more resilient after just one use. Tip, apply generously from root to tip to fully saturate your strands and use weekly for the best results. Yeah, that. So, these are not very big. Probably why they keep sending them out, because they probably, for this size, they can afford to just give these away like candy. But yes, dispense the ampule into your hand and apply from mid-length to end. This is where you lose me. This says from mid-length to ends. On here, where was it? Oh, was it on here? On here it says root to tip. Which one is it, guys? It can't be both. It cannot be both. My goodness. I don't even know. But yeah, that is a thing. I still need to do more research on those to figure out which is the correct way to use it so I can do the thing, since, you know, I've got 3 of them now. Next, I'm excited about these because, yay, nail polish. We've got CND Vinyl Luxe Mini Duo Pack in Romantique. Innovative two-step system coupled with Pro Light technology builds resistance to chips and enhances durability so nails stay perfectly polished all week long. So we've got a weekly top coat and a weekly polish in here. They claim 7-day wear, best-selling shade, which, I mean, personally, it looks like a pretty boring shade to me, but whatever. I mean, I need a top coat right now, so I will happily take it, but 7-day wear, chip-resistant color, fast drying, 2-step application, no base coat required. There's that. Apply 2 coats of the weekly wear polish, avoid inhalation. Oh, it's going to be very fumey. And then after applying 2 coats of the weekly polish, finish with 1 coat of the weekly top coat. So there's that. Obviously the top coat is not black, that's just the bottle. But yeah, so I mean, we'll see if it lives up to the hype. It probably won't, but I mean, it is what it is. Then we've got yet more dry shampoo. I think. Is this? Yep, it is. So, actually, do we have 2 dry shampoos? This box has 2 freaking dry shampoos in it because I don't know why, but they gave us 2. So this one's by Tresemme. It's Between Washes Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Infused with mineral clay and citrus, a quick spritz at the roots will revitalize day-old hair so locks look fresh and full of life. Trick: spray onto hair, massage through roots to absorb oil evenly, then brush strands for a refreshed and revived dew. We'll see if I have better luck with this one than I did with the Dove one, because the Dove one just does not freaking work for me. Gave them to Kimmy because I can't use them. They just do not work. For days when traditional washing is not part of the plan, but gorgeous styled hair definitely is. Tresemme Volumizing Dry Shampoo removes excess oil and eliminates odor, leaving hair rejuvenated and volumized. The best part? This weightless fine mist refreshes hair without any visible residue. That'd be great. How to use: shake the can before and during use. I'm just gonna shake it while I spray it. Yeah, I don't think that's what they mean, guys. Spray 8 to 10 inches on lifted sections of dry hair. Dry hair. So, massage into your roots to absorb the oil. Massage. And then brush through and style as usual. So that's the thing. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm not expecting much because dry shampoos and my hair generally don't get along. And then the other one, By Herbal Essences. This one at least will probably smell nice, if nothing else. Please tell me it's at least like lavendery. Nope, cucumber and green tea. Well, that's alright. Shake first and spray on hair, working into the roots. Brush out and style as desired. Get a clean feel in between washes. This one has warnings on like every visible surface about it being flammable and under pressure. This one, not nearly so many warnings. This one is like, you will die if you are not careful with it. So, Herbal Essences BioRenew Revitalized Cucumber and Green Tea Dry Shampoo. BioRenew formula made with cucumber and green tea instantly absorbs oil and adds texture, leaving hair shiny, healthy, and smelling yummy. Maybe. Or maybe it'll do like every dry shampoo does to me and make it look greasier than it already was to begin with. I guess we'll find out when we get there, but my hair is clean right now, so there's no point putting it on to try and find this out. So, again, I'll let you know. But yeah, so this box for me was very lackluster because we have one thing I've now got 3 of, 2 more dry shampoos that probably won't do shit. So that leaves me with 2 things, basically, that might turn out to be something, even though the nail polish is a really boring color, and this might destroy your face if you're not careful. So, I mean, was the June box worth it? I don't know, for $7? Probably not, but I mean, I've been doing them every month along for how many months? Since, like, March now? Yeah, so I figured, what the hell, may as well, why break tradition? So I figured it's cheap enough. At least I'll get a video out of it and some reviews for you guys out of the things, so maybe it'll earn back the ad revenue, maybe it won't. I don't really know. It's only $7. It's not the end of the world if it doesn't, but frankly, I feel like this month's box was very lackluster. I'm honestly more excited about the box itself and reusing that than I am about the stuff in it this month, if we're being honest. Like, that is just the state of affairs on this one. Kinda sad. Hopefully next month's will be better. Last month's was freaking awesome. Loved that one. I'm hoping maybe next month's will be more like last month's was. So, anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below about anything at all, anything in the box, anything about anything. Leave them all down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Now, I am going to hit stop on this, end this video, and then film the unboxing for the men's box. So, I will be back in just a minute.